Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
YouTube removed public dislike counts, but the dislike button still appears on Shorts. This creates confusion and unwanted interactions for many viewers. You cannot remove that button using standard YouTube settings as a viewer. The only practical options are local changes on your device using browser extensions or custom CSS rules. Creators cannot selectively remove the button for Shorts across YouTube globally. Use local tools carefully to avoid breaking other site functionality or violating platform guidelines. The safest route is a reputable content blocker such as uBlock Origin. Install the extension from the official store and permit it to run on YouTube. Add a cosmetic filter or custom rule that targets the dislike button element. A simple rule hides the button locally without altering your account settings. Be aware that YouTube UI updates can break filters and require adjustment. Always keep the extension updated and avoid unknown or untrusted extensions that request broad permissions. First, install uBlock Origin from the Chrome or Firefox extension store. Next, open the extension dashboard and choose My Filters to add a new line. Paste a concise cosmetic filter targeting the dislike button for YouTube. And save your changes. Reload YouTube Shorts and confirm the button is hidden locally in your browser. If the site changes or you want the button back, remove the filter or disable the extension. This method works locally and does not change YouTube account settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.